Are you a parent who finds yourself constantly wondering, did my child make it to school safely today? Did the school bus arrive on time? Are they okay at the park? What if they went cycling with their friends and forgot to check in? Or even more nerve-wracking, what if they're on a school trip, miles away, and you haven't heard from them all day? It's completely natural to worry. After all, we want our children to explore, have fun, and grow independently. But we also want to know they're safe, protected, and just a call away. That's exactly where today's gadget comes in. Imoo Z1 Watch Phone. Back again on Gadgets Pod, tried and tested. The place where tech meets hands-on experience. We don't just unbox, we actually use and review the gadgets. In this two-part, we are checking out something made especially for kids, the Imoo Z1 Watch Phone. It's part smartwatch, part phone, and even a GPS tracker, all in one cool little gadget. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Did you know? The Imoo Z1 is designed as a first phone for kids, but it's more than just fun tech. It focuses on safety, location tracking, and real-time communication all packed into a wearable that's built to handle daily use and even a splash or two. So yeah, it's not just a watch, it's peace of mind, wrapped in a cool design. All right, time to unbox. Let's see what we get inside. Right on top, we've got the Z1 Watch Phone itself. And wow, it looks really sleek for a kid's gadget. It's super lightweight, the screen looks great, and the strap feels soft but sturdy. Definitely something kids would actually want to wear. Let's check out all the cool stuff that comes with the Imoo Watch Phone. First up, there's a sticker with the watch's technical details, including the IME number and other key info. Make sure you don't lose it. It's important and you might need it during setup or support. Next up is the Quick Start Manual. It's pretty handy if you want a step-by-step guide to set everything up, like linking the watch with your phone, turning on location tracking, or setting safe zones. And this tiny tool here, that's the SIM card picker. You'll need it to insert your nano SIM into the watch. So yeah, don't lose it. It's one of those small but important things. Next up is the magnetic charging cradle. This just snaps onto the back of the watch and connects via USB. Simple and easy to use. So here's everything you get in the box: the watch itself, the charging cradle, SIM card tool, and the instruction manual. All pretty straightforward. All right, let's get hands-on with the watch itself and take a look at the physical design and some built-in features. And first things first, let's peel off that plastic film. That's always satisfying, isn't it? On the front, we have a 1.3-inch IPS LCD touchscreen, vibrant, responsive, and easy to use. Whether it's for making calls, checking steps, or using the chat feature, everything runs through the screen. Just above the display, there's a 2-megapixel front camera. It's perfect for HD video calling with parents and friends. You can also take quick selfies or video messages. Right below the screen, there's a little speaker underneath. That's where you'll hear the watch's sound from. Now let's take a look at the back of the watch, where most of the key hardware is tucked away. Right here, you've got the SIM card slot. It takes a nano SIM and supports 4G VoLTE, so the watch can make calls and stay connected all on its own. Just next to it is the power button. It's neatly placed, easy to press, and you'll need to hold it down for about 6 seconds to power on the watch phone. And finally, these two gold dots here are the magnetic charging contacts. That's where the charging cradle clicks in to juice up the built-in 740 mAh battery. Near the edge, you'll find a tiny hole. That's the microphone, so your child can talk to you during voice or video calls. Now, let's dive into the watch's features, starting with one of the most important: HD video and voice calls. Whether you're busy or far away, stay connected anytime with crystal clear audio and video. Enjoy two-way calls, one-on-one chats, and family chat, all from your child's wrist. Accurate locating with GPS, GLONASS, Wi-Fi, and LBS. Easily find your child anytime using the Imoo app's navigation feature. Track their real-time movement on Google Maps right from your phone. Introducing Class Mode, the perfect way to keep learning distraction-free. Set it up in the Imoo app to turn the Z1 into a regular watch during school hours. Only urgent calls to parents get through, so your child stays focused on class. With no stranger calls, safety comes first. Only pre-approved contacts can reach your child, keeping unwanted or unknown callers away. With IPX8 water resistance, the Imoo Z1 is built for splash-filled adventures. Kids can swim, play, and enjoy water fun without a worry. Get your kids moving with step counting and step ranking. Not just a fitness tracker, Kids can connect with friends, compare daily steps, and stay motivated to be active every day. Just bump wrists with another Imoo user and instantly connect to start chatting and sharing. Making new friends has never been this fun. SOS calling. Write a C on the Imoo Z1 to send an instant alert in an emergency. No social media and no open internet, ensuring a safer, distraction-free environment for your child. Geo-fencing. Set safe zones for your child and receive instant alerts when they enter or leave designated areas. 4G connectivity. Stay connected anytime, anywhere with seamless 4G support. Enjoy fast communication and real-time location tracking on the Imoo Z1. Ultra-long battery life. Last but not least, the Z1's advanced silicon anode battery keeps it powered longer than any other watch in its class, so your child stays connected all day. With chat functionality, stay in touch effortlessly. Share photos, swap messages, and keep everyone updated on upcoming events, all in a safe, kid-friendly space. Whenever your child spots something exciting, they can snap a photo instantly with the Imoo Watch and share it with family and friends. And that wraps up our unboxing and first look at the Imoo Z1 Watch Phone. We've explored what's inside the box and taken a closer look at its design and build. But this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll set up the SIM card, download the app, bind the watch, and dive into all its functions with a live demo. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 2. Stay smart, stay connected with Gadgets Pod.